So you did what with your hair?
I used box dye.
Box dye, oh my gosh. That's what this is.
Yep.
What are you thinking about your hair?
Anything your heart desires.
Okay, so you're open.
Yes.
Okay, let's add like some movement and some body to your hair. You have gorgeous hair. Let's just bring it to life. Hey everyone, I'm Alejandro Lopez. My passion is pushing the limits of what's possible with color correction and creative melting. Today I'm going to show you how to take a compromised, uneven canvas and turn it into a high-end, seamless berry melt that keeps your clients obsessed and your chair full. Today we're creating natural foxtail, and we are going to be building a custom multi-dimensional base before we dive into our foxtail technique. How to take a natural level 4 canvas and transform it into an iconic high-contrast calico masterpiece using Faction8.